Hey, Kathleen here. I am reviewing this Panasonic Whisper Choice 80 or 110 CFM bathroom exhaust fan. You can choose between the 80 or the 110 CFM, and I chose the 110. I'm going to turn it on here. It's on now. It takes about 10 seconds to start hearing it going. And there you go. You can hear it now. It's a pretty honeycomb design. Really was easy for my contractor to install. I have it in my master bathroom, which is a 5x10 bathroom, and the hall bathroom, kids' hall bathroom upstairs, and that's a 5x9 bathroom. And I had him set both of those to 110 CFM, and it does a good job. I do get a little bit of steam or humidity or whatever fog on my mirror and a little bit on the doors of the shower, but it doesn't take long once the shower's off for the fan to clear that. So I've been happy with it.